In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Squarespace in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your website feel more modern, more dynamic, and way more engaging for visitors. Whether you want subtle movement on hover, smooth effects on scroll, or a looping text animation, Squarespace gives you a few easy options to bring your content to life. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Squarespace page where you want to animate the text. Once you're on the right page, click Edit so you can start making changes. After the page opens in edit mode, find the text box you want to customize. Click directly on the text box and then look for the pencil icon. This pencil icon is where you can edit the text settings and adjust the design options for that specific block. When the editing menu opens, look for the animation option in the drop-down menu. Squarespace will usually give you a few different animation styles to choose from, depending on the block and layout you're using. You may see options like on hover, on scroll, or loop, and each one creates a slightly different effect. If you want the text to react when someone moves their mouse over it, choose the hover animation. If you want the text to animate as visitors scroll down the page, choose the scroll option. And if you want the text to keep moving continuously, the loop option is the one to use. Once you've selected the type of animation you want, choose your preferred animation style from the available settings. Some effects will be more subtle and professional, while others may feel more bold and attention-grabbing. Pick the one that best matches the look and feel of your website. After that, save your changes and preview the page so you can see how the animation looks live. This is important because it lets you check whether the movement feels smooth and whether the text still fits nicely within the design of the page. If it feels too strong or distracting, you can always go back and choose a different animation. And that's it. You now know how to animate text in Squarespace. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how polished and interactive your website feels. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.